Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a medium difficult problem from LeetCode, number 1552. Call it magnetic force between two balls. This problem is about distributing balls into basket in such a way that the minimum magnetic force between any two balls is maximized. The magnetic force between two different balls at position x and y is given by the absolute difference of their position, x minus y. In this problem, we are given an integer array position representing the position of the basket and integer m representing the number of balls. Our task is to distribute the balls into the basket such that the minimum magnetic force between any two balls is maximized. Here we have examples, input, m, position, and output explanation. Also example 2. The key to solve this problem is to use a binary search algorithm. We will initialize the left boundary of the search to 1 and the right boundary to the difference between the last and the first position. We will also initialize the maximum minimum force to -1. Then we will define a helpful function isForceSufficient to check if it's possible to place all balls such that the minimum force is at least a given value. This function will iterate over remaining basket position and place a new ball in the current basket position is far enough from the last placed ball. Let's dive into code. We will start by sorting position in array in ascending order. This will help us to make easy binary search algorithm that we will be used later. Position sort a b equals a minus b. Now we will start with our variables. First, left equal 1, right equal position length -1 minus position 0, and the last variable max min force, which be -1. Now we will create a helpful function isForceSufficient that takes a number force and return a boolean. This function will check if it's possible to place all balls such that the minimum force is at least force. We will start with arrow function const is force efficient equal force number inside this function we initialize last place position to the first position in the sorted array and place balls to 1. We'll assuming that we are placing the first ball in the first basket. Let last place it position equal position 0 and place it balls equal 1. Now we will iterate over the remaining position. If the current position is far enough from the last place ball, the difference at least force, we will place a new ball in the current basket. we will use for it for loop for let I equal 1, I less position length next if statement we will take position I minus last place it position which be equal or more or equal to force. Then we use last place it position equal to position I and increase place it both. If we return true, we could place all m in both and false otherwise. Make return place it both equal or bigger m. Then we will start a while loop to check as a middle force between position to check if we can place all both with at least middle force, and we will update the maximum force to continue the search to the right. Otherwise, we continue search to the left. So let's type while left equal less right. We will create a new variable with force be equal left plus math floor right minus left divided by 2. Then we use if statement is force sufficient with force well inside it, and we will use assignment max force to with force, and left will be equal with 4 plus 1. Else right will be equal we assign it to mid force minus 1. And finally we will return max min force, which is the maximum minimum force we can achieve. Max min force. Let's test it. It's running smoothly and submit. So that's how we solve the magnetic force between two balls problem from LeetCode using a binary search algorithm. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and your time.